Traditional Thai massage. Traditional Thai massage or Thai yoga massage is a traditional therapy combining acupressure, Indian Ayurvedic principles, and assisted yoga postures. Thai massage is a traditional massage technique that combines deep tissue pressure, muscle and joint stretching, and gentle manipulations of the body. Research has shown Thai massage to be beneficial for pain relief and for easing symptoms of depression and anxiety. Thai massage uses gentle pressure and stretching techniques to relax the whole body. This is an ancient healing practice that originated in India. It dates back to around 2,500–7,000 years ago. The technique that Thai massage practitioners use is very different from what people in the West may be accustomed to. Thai massage is always performed clothed, on a mat, or on the floor. Recipients are guided through a series of yoga-like stretches, as well as a combination of abdominal work, breath cues, deep tissue massage, and application of pressure to specific points on the body. Thai massage, also known as Thai yoga massage, or informally as the lazy person's yoga, combines assisted yoga with acupressure techniques. The therapist will incorporate yogic stretching movements as they knead and press muscles along the body's energy lines with the hands and feet. Over the course of many centuries, people living in the villages and temples of Thailand developed a unique type of interactive bodywork called Nuad Phaen Boran, traditional style massage, or Nuat Thai or Thai massage. In the Thai language, the name for Thai massage is Nuad Bo-rarn. Nuad means massage. Bo-rarn means ancient. So in Thailand, it is an ancient massage. Some also translate it as ancient healing way. Techniques used. The therapist will apply the massage with the hands and feet. No oils or creams are used. Pressure is applied all along the energy lines in the body.